It's time to clean up your Instagram watch history. If you've ever wanted to remove the videos or reels you've watched but didn't know how, in this video, I'm going to show you a simple and fast way to do it. But before we begin, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you're always informed about new tutorials I upload. So, the first thing you need to do is open your App Store or Google Play Store and check if the latest version of the Instagram app is available. If it is, tap the Update button to install it. Once you're done, open the Instagram app and log into your account if you haven't already. When you're inside Instagram, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. This will take you to the settings. Once you're in the settings, you'll see a section called How You Use Instagram. Tap on your activity. Now scroll all the way down, find the section called Watch History, and tap on it. Here you'll see a list of all the reels you've watched on Instagram. Next, tap on the Select option in the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the videos you want to remove from your watch history. Then, at the bottom of the screen, tap Remove. And in the pop-up that appears, tap Remove again to confirm the deletion. And that's it. If this video helped you, leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Smart Assistant. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again very soon.